Hello, Lincolnwood and parts unknown. This is Rich again, and today we're going to have another cooking recipe here. And you don't even have to cook. Now, it's really stormy outside right now, so it is not a good time to go out to the backyard for a backyard picnic. But it's always a good time to make stuff for your backyard picnic. Now, today we're going to make ambrosia salad. No, come back. I trust you. It's a dessert. There are no vegetables whatsoever. There's a little bad news. The bad news is there's some fresh fruit in it. But the good news is it also has a ton of Cool Whip and almost a full bag of marshmallows. Yes! This is going to be awesome. You're going to love it. Besides those, these are the other ingredients. There are fresh pineapple, there's fresh apples, and we have canned oranges and maraschino cherries. I know those are technically fruit, but when they're canned or jarred, all the nutrition has been removed from it. Trust me, it's just nothing but sugar at this point. We have sour cream, and then finally, we have coconut, sweetened of course. Some of these things might not be the best thing you want. Some people don't like coconut. You can leave it out. Other people maybe want to add some nuts to it. Or instead of whipped cream, you might want to have, instead of Cool Whip, you might want to have whipped cream. I wouldn't recommend that. That's just me. And the marshmallows, you might not like marshmallows, but who doesn't like marshmallows? Come on. In about a minute or so, actually even less than a minute, I'm going to teach you how to make ambrosia salad. All right, welcome back. Did I tell you it was going to only take a minute before I got back? I meant 3 days. Anyway, this is how you make ambrosia salad. I got my ingredients ready. I told you what we were going to have, and here we go. All right, first, put in the Cool Whip. Make sure you take it out of the freezer beforehand, or you're going to have very, very stiff Cool Whip. Next, after the Cool Whip, you put in sour cream, 1/2 cup. So, after 1.5 cups of Cool Whip, 1/2 cup of sour cream. So, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it together, like that. It's kind of like mixing, but it's a lot gentler. 3 cups of marshmallows. Next is a cup of shredded coconut. This is sweetened coconut. And we're going to add that. Now the sweetened coconut is kind of dry things up a bit, but as you can tell, it's looking very yummy already. I don't even know why we need fruit. Sheesh, we could just eat this. Okay. Next thing is a cup of apples. Notice it's getting thicker and thicker. That's what you're looking for. You continue folding, and you want to make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed in. Next is a cup of diced pineapple. You can either do fresh or canned, it doesn't matter which. Canned might be a little sweeter, but I kind of prefer fresh. A can of mandarin oranges. Make sure you drain it, or you're going to have very drippy ambrosia salad. There we go. If you want to, cut the oranges in half, you can. You can put in a lot of different fruit in there. If you want to add, like, say, peaches to it during the summer, you can. All right, and the last thing I'm going to put in is a 3/4 cup of maraschino cherries. I cut these in half, so they kind of look like they're in a fruit cocktail. But these are maraschino cherries, and Now look how colorful it's beginning to get now. If we had grapes, it'd be really colorful. You can get green grapes, or purple grapes, or red grapes. We put it in the fridge, and we have to wait. We have to wait at least 1 hour so it gets nice and chilled. I would wait a couple of hours. And then make sure you put it, when you do put it in the fridge, wrap it in saran wrap. And then, like I said, you have to wait. This serves 6 people. That means you can eat it 6 times. Or you can, well, you could share it. I guess you could do that. But what I want you to do, though, is save it for your backyard picnic. I think you're going to love it. Your grown-ups are going to love it. Everyone's going to love it. Thank you much, and I'll see you again soon. Hello, Lincolnwood, and all of those other lesser places in the world. This is Rich again. Now, so far, we've had so many wonderful summer activities. We've had marble runs. We've had marshmallow catapults. We've had so many things, and we're going to have so many more summer programs to do, and we're all going to have fun doing it, I guarantee. But what about you? Have you been doing them? Well, here's the deal. If you have made these, or you're about to make some of these experiments that we've been programming, we'll give you the opportunity to record it and then send it to us at this email address. We'll do several things. We will look at it. We will smile at it. We will place it on our social media. And most importantly, we will give you 3 billion, what? Oh. We will place it on our social media. So record marble runs and catapult and all that kind of stuff and all the cooking videos we're going to make and all the other summer programs. Do it yourself. Come to us, record it, and send it to us to this email address. We want to see it, and we'd love to hear from you. See ya.